Hi everyone, in today's video we are going to learn three grammar points. Number one is Xiǎng, to use and express want or would like. Number two is Yīdìng, to express certainly or definitely. The number three, the last but not the least, is Qǐng. You use this word to invite people to events or activities. So by the end of this video, you should know how to express your wants and invite your colleagues to events or your friends, and then make promises. So let's go.
我们开始吧。The first word we are looking at today is 想 xiǎng, which means want to or would like to. The structure is simple. Subject plus 想 plus action verb. Example, 我想谢谢你。我想谢谢你。我想吃午饭。我想吃午饭。我想谢谢你。我想谢谢你。我想吃午饭。我想吃午饭。Use 想 when you want to do something. It is one of the first verbs every Chinese learner should know. The second word for today is 一定 yīdìng, yīdìng, which means definitely or certainly. 一定 for sure. We use it to show a strong promise or decision. The structure is the subject plus 一定 plus the verb phrase. Example, 我一定帮你。我一定帮你。我一定去。我一定去。我一定帮你。我一定帮你。我一定去。我一定去。Yīdìng makes your sentence sound confident and sincere. It is perfect for making promises or showing certainty. And the last word for this video is 请 请 请, which means to invite someone for meals or gatherings. Most beginners know 请 as please, like in 请坐, 请进. But today, we will learn another meaning, which means to invite. We use this when inviting someone to meals, gatherings, or events. The structure is subject plus 请 plus person plus the activity. Example, 周末我请同事喝茶。周末我请同事喝茶。我请朋友吃饭。我请朋友吃饭。周末我请同事喝茶。周末我请同事喝茶。我请朋友吃饭。我请朋友吃饭。When 请 means invite, it often includes paying for someone. So I invite you to eat usually means I will pay. 非常好. For more sentences and examples with these three words, click on the link below to download a free PDF.
Found this video helpful? Click on the subscribe button and see you in the next video.